Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today, the gospel stories continue to tell us about the ministry and mission of Jesus, particularly as it relates to his primary theme, which is the reign of God and the nearness of the reign of God. So the gospel story tells us that Jesus ate with many tax collectors and sinners, that many tax collectors and sinners sat with Jesus and his disciples. It's important to know that most Jews hated the tax collectors because they were overtaxing the people in order to impoverish them. And also that most Jews shunned sinners. The understanding of sinners was different than it is today. We believe that we're all sinners in one way or another. In those days, there was a difference between someone who was a sinner, someone who committed an act that was considered sinful, and everybody else. So sinners were shunned. Sinners were considered impure, just like those who were sick. But Jesus shares meals with these people who are, in one case, outcasts, and in the other case, actually hated. Why does he do this? Jesus is telling the people of his time, and he's telling us today, that in the reign of God, we are to share meals with everyone. Why? Because sharing meals is a sign of unity in the reign of God. And so it's part of our task in building up the reign of God here and now to share our food with all, to not exclude anyone. And the reason for that is so that we can build the unity of the church and the unity of the world that Jesus so desperately wants for us. Thank you once again